Hello everyone and welcome to Edu with Fun. If you're watching my channel regularly, then you will be aware about the write and wipe activity. But the new person, I'll tell you again, in write and wipe activity, where parents are going to write it using chalk and child is going to wipe it. And today's write and wipe activity is about cursive letters, small cursive letters. So let's begin. Before starting the video, how to do that, I'll just ask you one favor. Please give me the feedback and send me the photographs of your activities. It will be really helpful for me. So let's begin the video and learn how to write it. The material required are water, duster, peg, chalk and cotton. We are aware about the use of these all things, but still chalk to write and duster to erase it. Now here the peg. I'll just tell you a simple thing that using two finger and thumb, hold the peg and catch the cotton, and child is going to wipe it using the water. The same way. So let's learn how to write letters. Let's start writing and learning how to write letters, cursive letters. So here is the small letter, cursive letter A. It is very simple. You have to make curve and then that's it. Using the cotton, ask child to wipe in the same pattern. This is small letter A. Now same way, write small letter B. This is a loop and curve pattern together. This loop you can see which goes from up, come down and then one more small loop. Before asking child to write directly letter, it will be really helpful if they do the pattern writing, curve pattern writing. Because in curve pattern writing, it will be easy. Now you can see you can use duster or you can use the wiping cotton. It's up to you. You can ask both the things. And in this video, I'm going to show you all the letters formation of cursive letters, small cursive letter. Like here it is D. The same way how A is written, but in this it goes up and down. So it has a stick next to this. So as I was saying, in this video, you're going to watch all the small letters, cursive letters from A to Z. But I suggest you, being a parent, I also know it is not easy for a child to learn. Just want to one more thing I want to add here. You can see this small letter F. Sometime, or I can say most of the time, child get confused between F letter and B letter, small b. So I'll just tell you one thing. In B, small b, it comes in the top three lines. But in this small letter F, it comes between four lines from first red to last red. This is an important thing child should be aware. Now this is G. This is a down letter which goes down towards the neck last red line, not from the top red line. The same formation ask child to follow. And as I was saying, do it one day, one letter. Repeatedly ask child to do it using cotton or using duster. You draw, let him write it, wipe. Because it will be really fun when they wipe it. Here letter I, very easy. Even we, if I'll ask you to do my work, rework for this, you have so many suggestions for me. I can improve it. In the same way, child also has so many suggestions and thinking capability also increase when you do this activity. Because of formation, they might ask you some questions also. You can ask me if you have any query for that. And then follow the formation of the letter. You can say here this small letter K is a brother of capital letter R. How? Because when we write small letter R, K, it is like capital letter R in between last blue two lines. Now here after L M is very simple curvy letter. Try to introduce the child about the curves also. So when they are writing, it will be easy. Now here in M, you have seen 3 curves was there, but in N only 2. You can see here slanting line and then one curve. That's it. Now O is also very easy. You can make some song also. You can sing some song like it's a curve, it's a curve. It goes up and down and make a loop. It's up to you. How do you write? It's up to you. How do you write? Now this is letter P. This letter P, few people write in one pattern which I have shown you, which I'm wiping right now, and another pattern is closed loop. So closed P is like this. You can teach both the patterns, but I suggest you to teach only one pattern because all the schools are teaching different way. So now here it's letter Q, small letter Q. It is also simple. That's it. Teach the child formation. I request you every time. Please first parents do it properly, then teach your child properly, so that it will be easy for him or her to understand the formation. And once the formation they know, it will be very easy for them to write. And then afterwards you might not be complaining about that they are not writing the letter properly, they are not doing some work properly. The problem is that in the beginning only we are not correcting them. It's okay they are writing, it's okay. No, the formation, there is some certain rules which they have to follow. If they follow the certain rules, definitely going forward they might not feel any problem. This is the lesson of life also. Now here T. After U is very easy. Now after U, when you write U, you can tell child like this is curved letter U. It's a simple. But remember this slanting line which I have drawn first. Every letter has this first line which I am wiping right now. This is letter V, but the first line is to join the letter from the previous letter. This W, again you can see there are so many slanting lines. So now same way, tell the child that first line is very important because it's joining it to previous letter. Once they understand how to write the curve letter, ask them to join it and write it. Even you can assist them. And after this write and wipe activity, you can ask child, now we had fun writing letters and wiping it. Can we do writing in notebook? Then they will understand. First maybe they will write wrong, but you correct them and then they will do it. And when you're correcting, I just request you one more thing, that please little bit soft towards them, that they are learning it new. This is very new for them. They might do mistake. They can just write in not in between the line. Some may write in between the line. So please appreciate them for their effort and appreciate my effort as well. So here is the letter Z. Letter Z you can say is Z also. So this letter Z is like 3. You can relate all the letters to your normal life also, which you can ask them, how does that look like? Is it look like letter 3? Is look like number 3? Right? Can we draw it in this way? Then we just move it and then it become Z. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this, and please share my link and forward it to the person and the child who need these activities, a parent who need these activities. Thank you so much one more time, and please share the feedback on eduvithfun, and you can mail me at eduvithfun.number1@gmail.com.